down to our lobby to ride the bus. Today, we will go to the big tram. Mag-breakfast daw muna kami. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami mag-breakfast. Outfit check. Hi baby, good morning. We're gonna ride the tram going to Murray Road.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush.
namin tubig.
Babe! Babe, ito dapat suotin mo pa magka-abs ka. Yung t-shirt. Babe! Hey, we're now at the Chimchatchui area. We're on our way to M Plus Museum, waiting for the bus. Oops. Skateboarder passed by. Woo! On our way.
On our way to somewhere. M plus.
Jewels hang off your hands, diamonds sparkling from clear sand. Swirl the world around your head. Mend our tears with golden thread. Saying no, but I'm afraid it's true. It's time for me to try out something new.